Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom right here. It is toolless, so all you need to do is just using your fingernail take it out. It comes out really easily, so no problem there. And it actually looks like we do have a SD tray as well, so there we go. I'm gonna add that in as well. So SIM card goes on one side, as you can see right here. And there we go. Then if we flip it over, we have space for a SD card. And there we go. Now it looks like the trays are dedicated for each card, so I don't think you can put a SD card or a SIM card right on the SD tray like you would normally be able to do with most of the phones. So anyway, let's pop it back into our phone. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, the cards start working immediately. So it's already telling me to put in my SIM card pin. So there we go. And SD card should be working as well. Oh, there we go. Oops. You can see it right here. So both of the cards are working just fine. And that is how you can insert them. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.